Are you looking for the best sink for Butcher Block Countertop in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best sink for Butcher Block Countertop. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ruvati 33-inch kitchen sink for Butcher Block Countertop. This drop-in sink offers several unusual assets that will appeal to those looking for something extraordinary. Visually striking, this sink comes with an asymmetrical 60/40 bowl configuration. This feature means you have the advantage of a large sink with the convenience of a smaller prep sink. The low divider has a unique texture that adds visual interest. With sloped bottoms, this sink drains quickly. The zero-radius corners keep the sink looking modern and sharp. Easy to clean, the brushed stainless steel finish is sure to never rust or corrode. One of the best things about this sink is its lifetime limited warranty. It also comes with a dish rack to protect both sink bowl bottoms and full drain assemblies. The drop-in style can also make life easier when it comes to installation. Moving on at number 4, we have the Lordear 36-inch single bowl kitchen sink. This striking sink can make a big visual statement in your kitchen. If you have Butcher Block countertops, a black sink like this will draw attention and start conversations. Made from thick and durable stainless steel, this sink has a gunmetal black finish that is easy to clean and can withstand high and low temperatures easily. Like some others on this list, this model is a workstation sink that can increase your counter space in the kitchen. Since it has an impressive 36-inch width, you can definitely extend your space by using the cutting board, cleaning basket and grid protectors when necessary. The single bowl design also gives you plenty of room to work. With a limited lifetime warranty, you can purchase this sink with your mind at ease. If your kitchen is big and you enjoy color contrast, this black stainless steel sink could be a great choice. At number 3, we have the Elkay Fireclay single bowl sink. A Fireclay sink is much heavier than most other sinks, but it looks amazing. This sink is no exception. If you have wood countertops, this sink would carry over the farmhouse and natural look. It also has the advantage of having a contemporary style sense. This model has a gently sloped interior bottom and large center drain, so it will always drain efficiently. Though no drain assemblies or other installation hardware come in the package, this sink is less expensive than other Fireclay sink models. Because of its extra weight, it will need a support system built beneath the sink, so be aware that this sink may require some extra planning. With a solid warranty to ease any worries, this sink is easy to clean and can be easily wiped down. Fireclay is naturally dense and durable, so you can expect this particular model to last for years to come. At number 2, we have the Ruvati Topmount kitchen sink. This particular sink comes with a unique 2-bowl design that can be great for those who like to get multiple things done at once. You can dry dishes on one side and wash them on the other. The low divider sets this sink apart from other models. It offers that single basin appeal with a separation of space when you need it. Another asset of this model are all the items that come in the box. A dish drying rack, a sink protector and 2 full drain assemblies can make installation quick and easy. You don't have to waste time or money at the hardware store since everything is included in one place. Though this sink does not have a farmhouse style or apron front, it does have a drop-in styling that is discreet. It can blend with almost any kitchen decor, especially wooden countertops. And finally at number 1, we have the KOHLER Vault single bowl kitchen sink. This model may be one of the best options for Butcher Block countertop with sink installation. Not only is this sink large and spacious, it is built with easy installation in mind. Made from a sturdy 18-gauge stainless steel, this KOHLER sink is meant to last. However, it is also somewhat lightweight and does not require any special support system. The single faucet hole can accommodate a touchless or one-handle designed faucet. The drain is center set for convenience, and the depth of the sink ensures minimal splashing and spotting. The apron front sink takes this otherwise thoroughly modern design and elevates it to a farmhouse rustic level. The single bowl can be perfect for washing those large, heavy items. The KOHLER name speaks for itself, and a lifetime limited warranty reassures each buyer that they are getting something special. The finish on this sink is a brushed finish. The inner corners are tight so you can still have that professional look. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.